Even if you're a little slower than others, that's no reason to look down on them. You puff out your shoulders with a capable look. The look in your eyes is a little painful. The atmosphere changes with just one word. Strength isn't about that. Leave that condescending attitude somewhere right now. You understand, don't you? That distance, the closer you get, the more I see your true feelings. Don't act so high and mighty. Oh, omeoダヅナよ. Shut that arrogant mouth now. Don't act so high and mighty. Oh, omeodazunayo. Be honest rather than trying to be above others. If you can, you should laugh, but don't step on anyone with eyes like price tags every time you compare yourself. It's lonely, that armor that hides your weakness. It shines, but it's only heavy. We'll be ourselves, walk with our heads held high. You understand, right? That pressure, the more it reaches you, the colder it gets. Don't be so arrogant. Omeodazunayo. Close that arrogant mouth now. Don't be so arrogant. Omeodazunayo. Be honest rather than standing above others. Do you think you can become stronger by putting someone down? That'll be seen through immediately. Kindness can change everything. Let go of that hand.